down here. You might break your hip to the sound that's legit. I come to make a hit. I usually want scratches from my mother's heel skin, but I decided to get right on this groove. As I provide this slide, you're going on a ride. I know the weather's nice, there's no need to play the outside. Guess who's on the flyer? The man of your desire. Pete Rock is heel smooth, all the honey dips admire. Pizza rough and rugged, Pete Rock is the creator. Now I'm busting raps, flow, switching cross faders. Making sure my sound is from here to Grenada. Honey gave me skills, man, I told her friends I hate her. Oh wait, I'll save the subject for later, but it's time to get back with the creator. Like a stove, not into roll. Yo, Pete, there's a girl on the phone. Tell her to hold, cause I'm busy kicking rhymes to the rhythm. Fortified with soul, cause that's what I give them. Honey swim my mind, cause I always seem to capture. Beats made a rupture, rhyme made a rapture. Far from illiterate, always seem to get a hit. If you try to step to this, don't even consider it. Skins when I want them, but only when I eat them. To set the record straight, I'll be damned if I eat them. Call me Pete Rock, I make the girls flop. And if you wanna be like this, I got them in stock. So flow with the flow, because you know I'm good to go as I proceed to get wrecked on your stereo. Not an imitator, just a crowd motivator, but it's time to get back with the creator. You see a smooth cut it up like this.